The Congress party has kick-started its mission Uttar Pradesh as only few months are left for crucial assembly polls. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi is leading the charge. Mounting pressure on Yogi government, Priyanka Gandhi is going to be meeting Samajwadi Party worker Anita Yadav in Lakhimpur Kheri today. She aims to reflect women's safety issues in the state. Anita was manhandled by her political rivals during the recently concluded block chief elections in Lakhimpur. Yesterday, Priyanka sat on a silent protest in Lucknow and attacked both Modi and Yogi government for violence during Panchayat polls. Priyanka alleges that UP witnessed mass violence and assault on women during Panchayat and block Pramukh elections. Congress also alleged widespread irregularities during Panchayat polls.
रोज पेपर के सुर्खियों में देखिए, टीवी पर देखिए, कहीं ना कहीं किसी बेटी के साथ अभद्रता और उसके साथ जिस तरह की घटनाएं होती है उत्तर प्रदेश शर्मसार होता है। जिस तरह चुनाव के दौरान लखीमपुर में एक महिला की साड़ी को खींचा गया, अभद्रता की गई, उत्तर प्रदेश शर्मसार हुआ। एक शब्द अफसोस के नहीं निकले इस सरकार के। निश्चित तौर से इस जंगल राज के खिलाफ आज आदरणीय प्रियंका गांधी जी उस माँ से, उस बेटी से, उस बहन से मिलेंगी और पूरी घटना और वाकया को जानने का काम करेंगे। हर दिलों में आदरणीय प्रियंका गांधी जी निवास करती हैं, लोगों की भावनाओं में, विश्वास में, भरोसे में और उत्तर प्रदेश के बदलाव में विश्वास करती है प्रियंका गांधी जी। और निश्चित तौर से बदलाव की आंधी है जिसका नाम प्रियंका गांधी है।
Maushami Singh is reporting from Lucknow, joining us with the very latest. Maushami, Priyanka Gandhi is going to be visiting Lakhimpur Kheri today in solidarity with a woman who was manhandled. This also in a way becomes an outreach for her meeting the UP poll violence victim ahead of the state elections.
Absolutely, Chati. If you look at the way Priyanka Gandhi is picking up issues which are politically very, very sensitive. If you see that she met the farmers yesterday, and today she is going to meet Anita Yadav, who was a victim of poll violence, clearly connecting to the women's safety issue in Uttar Pradesh that has been actually a poll plank of the BJP in the previous elections. And here Priyanka Gandhi Vadra cutting across party lines, going to visit a Samajwadi Party women worker who was manhandled, is a clear indication that above the party lines, the women's safety issue is a core issue that cannot be compromised upon. And she also had hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday when I asked her that question on women's safety issues, and she said that he is giving Yogi Adityanath a certificate of handling the women's safety issue very well, which is actually contrary to the ground reality. So here Priyanka heading to Lakhimpur Kheri, which has also got some political ramifications because Jitin Prasad, an erstwhile Congress leader, is now in the BJP. He hails from this region. It was his stronghold, and after he did quit the Congress party, walking to the opposite camp, he was welcomed in a grand fashion here in Lakhimpur Kheri and Shahjahanpur area, which have been his bastions. So there Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sending a message to the turncoats as well, that the Congress is standing rock solid, even as people who disagree or differ with the ideology of the Congress party decide to leave the party.
Thanks, Maushami, for joining us with the very latest details on this story.